Did you know that spinach packs more iron than beef when it comes to weight per serving? That's right. Just 1 cup of cooked spinach can give you about 6.4 milligrams of iron, making it a powerhouse for boosting your iron levels. Iron is one of those essential nutrients that our bodies need to function properly. It's crucial for energy production, helping to transport oxygen throughout our bodies, and supporting our immune systems. Despite its importance, many people struggle with iron deficiency, often due to inadequate dietary sources or poor absorption. Common sources of iron include red meat, beans, and fortified cereals, but there are plenty of other options that can help you meet your daily needs. Spinach and eggs are 2 of the most effective foods for boosting your iron levels, and they're incredibly easy to incorporate into your meals. Spinach is packed with iron, with 1 cup of cooked spinach providing about 6.4 milligrams of iron. Plus, it's rich in vitamins A and K and fiber, making it a superfood for overall health. Eggs, on the other hand, are a great source of protein and contain about 0.6 milligrams of iron per large egg. When combined, spinach and eggs make a powerful duo for iron intake. One of the best things about spinach is its versatility. You can add it to smoothies, sauté it with garlic as a side dish, or even use it as a base for salads. Eggs are equally versatile and can be boiled, scrambled, or made into omelets. For a simple iron-boosting breakfast, try whipping up an omelet with spinach and a sprinkle of feta cheese. Not only will you get a dose of iron, but you'll also feel full and satisfied until lunchtime. Incorporating spinach and eggs into your diet can have a significant impact on your energy levels and overall health. By making a few simple changes to your meal plan, you can ensure you're getting enough iron to support your body's needs. And don't forget to pair these foods with vitamin C-rich foods like citrus or bell peppers to enhance iron absorption. Maintaining adequate iron levels can have a significant impact on our overall health. With sufficient iron, we can enjoy improved energy levels, better immune function, and even support healthy skin and hair. Low iron levels, on the other hand, can lead to fatigue, weakness, and a host of other problems. By prioritizing iron-rich foods like spinach and eggs, we can take a proactive approach to our health. Maintaining adequate iron levels is crucial for our overall well-being. When we have enough iron, our bodies can function at their best, and we feel more energized and focused. Iron also plays a critical role in supporting our immune systems, helping to fight off infections and diseases. Adequate iron levels also support healthy skin, hair, and nails. When our bodies have the iron they need, we look and feel our best. And let's not forget about the cognitive benefits. Iron is essential for brain function and development, making it a critical nutrient for people of all ages. According to leading nutrition experts, iron-rich foods like spinach and eggs are essential for maintaining healthy iron levels. By incorporating these foods into your diet, you can support your overall health and well-being. To sum it up, spinach and eggs are a dynamic duo when it comes to boosting your iron levels. With their rich nutritional profiles and ease of incorporation into meals, it's easy to make a positive impact on your health. By prioritizing iron-rich foods and making a few simple changes to your diet, you can enjoy improved energy, better immune function, and overall well-being. Thanks for watching! If you have a favorite recipe using spinach and eggs, share it with us in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more health and nutrition tips. We'll see you in the next video.